Good morning, students. Now, in the previous period, we discussed about the mole fractions. Is one of the concentration terms, and we discussed some numericals also. Okay. Now, today's we have to discuss about the next concentration term, that is molarity. Concentration terms. Molarity, it's a fourth one. Now already in class 11 we discussed about these molarity terms. It is defined as the number of moles of solute dissolved in per liter of solution or 1000 ml of solution. So now first of all we write here definitions. It is defined as number of moles of solute dissolved in per liter of solution or 1000 ml of solution. Is it clear? And it is represented as capital M, and its unit of molarity will be the mole per dm cube. Mole per dm cubes. Now mathematically represented as molarity equal to क्या होगा, number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in 1000 ml, and it is also represented as, so capital M is equal to small n upon capital V. Small n indicate that number of moles, V indicate that volume of solution, and capital M indicate that molarity. Is it clear? And therefore it units number of moles, that is mole. Is it clear? And volume is in liter, that is called dm cube. So mole per dm cubes. Hence it says that the unit is mole per dm cubes. Is it clear? Then another one formula is there. Molarity, you know very well, small n is equal to small w upon small m. Means here we say that weight of solute upon molecular weight of solute. Molecular weight of solute. Is it clear? So that is small n is equal to small w upon small m. Small n मतलब number of moles is equal to weight of solute upon molecular weight of solutes, and hence the molarity is equal to small w upon small m into 1000 upon volume. Small w upon small m into 1000 upon volume. So this is the formula of molarity. Kindly note down that. Again I repeat it, the molarity, it is defined as the number of mole of solutes dissolved in per liter of solution is called as molarity, and it is represented by capital M, understood, and unit of molarity is mole per dm cube. So mathematically it is represented as molarity is equal to number of moles of solutes upon volume of solution in liter or 1000 ml. So the molarity is equal to small n upon capital V. Small n indicate number of moles, V indicate volume, and number of moles it can be calculated as weight of solute upon molecular weight of solute. So small n is equal to small w upon small m. So put up this value in formula. Which formula? This one. And you will get small w upon small m into 1000 upon volume. Is it clear? Just for example, here we say that 2 gram of NaOH dissolved in 500 ml of solution. Calculate its molarity of solution. Is it clear? Calculate its molarity of solution. So here the given quantity is weight of NaOH will be 2 grams, volume of solution will be 500 ml. This is the given quantity. Then molecular weight of NaOH, it's not given but you have to calculate it. So you know the sodium, here sodium atomic mass 23, oxygen atomic mass 16, hydrogen 1. So 23 plus 16 plus 1, you will get how much it is? 40. So 40 is the molecular weight of NaOH, 40 gram per mole. Is it clear? Then, so molarity is equal to small w upon small m into 1000 upon volume. So put up this formula, put up this value in formula, that is 2 upon 40 into 1000 upon 500. 1000 upon 500. So you will get 4 upon 40. Correct it is? Because 1000 upon 500 you will get here 2. So 2 into 2, 4. 4 upon 40, that is here 1 by 10. 1 by 10 means 0.1 mole per dm cube. Is it clear, the terms? So the molarity of solution is 0.1 mole per dm cubes. Any doubt will be there? So please note down this. Okay. Now then we take another examples. Another one examples. Second one, in a solution having 9.8 gram of H2SO4 dissolved in 250 ml of solution. 250 ml of solution. To calculate its molarity of solution. To calculate its molarity of solution. Understood? Now again, here given quantity, what will be the given? Weight of H2SO4, it will be 9.8 gram. Then now next stage, volume of solution, it is again 250 ml. Then next it is the molecular weight, it's not given but you calculate here, molecular weight of H2SO4, it will be 98. You know how it is calculated, you know. So then the molarity, put up this formula, molarity is equal to small w upon small m into 1000 upon volume, 1000 upon volume. So small w is 9.8, small m 98. 98 क्या है? Molecular weight. 9.8 is the given mass of H2SO4 into 1000 upon volume, it will be a 250. So 1 by 10, 9.8 upon 98 कितना हो गया? 1 by 10 into 4. So what will be the value? 0.4 mole per dm cubes. You know how it is 0.4? 1 by 10 means 0.1 into 4 is equal to 0.4 mole per dm cubes. Is it clear? Any difficulty among that? Any difficulty? No. Okay. Now after that, next it is third problem we discuss here. Calculate the molarity of solution having 18 gram of glucose dissolved in 500 ml of 100 ml of solution. Again it is the given quantity. So given quantity is weight of glucose. How much? Weight of glucose is 18 gram. You know the molecular formula of glucose, C6H12O6, and its molecular weight 180. You know how it is 180? 12 into 6 plus 1 into 12 plus 16 into 6, that is 72 plus 12 plus 96, then you will get answer 180 here. Okay. Now so we write here molecular weight of glucose, it is 180 gram per mole, and volume is already given. Volume of solution is given. How much it is? 500 ml. Correct it? Then put up this formula. Molarity is equal to small w upon small m into 1000 upon volume. 1000 upon volume. So now put up this value. Small w, how much it is? 18. Molecular weight 180 into 1000 upon 500. Then again, so here 1 by 10 into 2, that is 0.1 into 2, you will get 0.2 mole per dm cubes. Any doubt will be there? So this is a molarity, and this, you know this formula, it is small w upon small m into 1000 upon volume, and you know very well small w indicate weight of solute, small m is molecular weight of solute, and volume indicate the volume of solutions. Is it clear? Okay. So please note down these examples. Okay. And thank you now. Okay, so good morning students. Now in just previous lecture we discussed about there the molarity is a concentration terms. Again the next concentration term is molality. It is represented by small m, and it is defined as, can anyone tell me the definitions? Now it is defined as the number of mole of solutes dissolved in per kg of solvent, per kg of solvent. So it is defined as number of moles of solute, number of moles of solute dissolved in per kg of solvent or 1000 gram of solvent. Okay, so this molality, mathematically how it will be represented? Mathematically it say that here number of moles of solute upon weight of solution, weight of solvent in kg or 1000 grams. Okay, now it is represented as small m, and its unit is mole per kg. Correct? Now you know very well number of moles, that is small n is equal to weight of solute upon molecular weight of number of moles of solute. We discuss here number of mole of solute, small n is equal to weight of solute upon molecular weight of solute. So in that case we write here small w for weight of solute and capital M for molecular weight of solute, because in previous case we did say that ki molecular weight of solute is represented as small m, but already here small m used for molality. Okay, so don't confuse it here. Molecular weight of solute will be a capital M. Capital M is not here molarity, it will be a molecular mass or molecular weight. Okay, so then here the molality is equal to small w upon capital M into 1000 upon capital W. Okay, molality is equal to small w upon capital M into 1000 upon capital W. So where generally again it is small m, completely symbolic form, small m is equal to small w upon capital M into 1000 upon capital W. Okay, so where small m for molality, correct, small w for weight of solute, capital M for molecular weight of solute, capital W for weight of solvent,